ass get up. Now think about it. 1986, 1987. The fellas know what I'm talking about. That's before your ass got in trouble. Yeah, right before then. So, you're hanging out, and the radio station puts this shit up right here. Check this out. Shh.